Hi everyone. This fat boy takes us on a new path, Big Atlas. Although we have already shown some impressive custom bikes based on the Milwaukee-Eight Fat Boy recently, this conversion stands out once again. It is probably primarily the dominant GP wheels in deep gloss black that make the bike look unique. Thanks to the rich gloss black finish of the elaborately milled monoblock wheels measuring 4 to 23 inches at the front and 9 to 21 inches at the rear, the bike looks like a modern hot rod. This look is supported by our air ride in the front and rear. This allows the bike to be lowered so far that the gaps between the chassis, fender and tires are barely noticeable. This gives the bike a unique, compact appearance. The new 45mm thick handlebar, which we are using here for the first time, also fits in perfectly with the compact overall concept. This new handlebar dimension is milled from aluminium in several individual parts and then welded together. This has a number of advantages, as it allows us to precisely execute design contours and prepare milled sections for routing lines and cables for assembly. The same applies to the specially manufactured riser, which merges positively into the handlebars. However, the bike not only has a lot to offer visually, but also technically. Components such as the single-sided swingarm with its huge perimeter brake at the rear and the new front end with two 340mm brake discs on the front wheel ensure the necessary street performance. Thanks for watching.